Thank you for watching the latest episode of the Inside Drive on Racers and Rods Media. Stay tuned weekly for more exciting content.
Whenever you're ready.
My name is Duane from South Carolina. This is my 86 Mazda B2000 tandem pickup truck. It's got a double wishbone suspension. It's been totally redone. Motor's been rebuilt, 30 over. It's full custom.
Tell me a little bit about the paint.
The airbrush was done from a fellow named Richard Outlaw out of Camden, South Carolina. It took him about 4 months to do all the airbrush work on it and the extra body work. All the fabrication frame-wise was done by Biden Metal Fabrication out of Melbourne, North Carolina. I bought the truck as a project to stay busy.
And it's bagged and bodied?
It's bagged only, not bodied.
Okay.
The frame has been cut from just under the back of the cab all the way back. All that's brand new. Everything's been rebuilt totally.
So was it a long bed or
it's an extra cab?
Extra cab, but long bed. Did you split a bed and extend the bed?
We cut two beds through the center here. Moved the floor of the bed up to accommodate the double wishbone suspension with bags, airbags. It's got an air suspension ride system that's automated, fully controllable from inside the cab. It's everything a kid's
Absolutely. It's very cool, very cool. I appreciate you letting us shoot it, and